If you want to know how to verify Chatgpt phone number, you've come to the right place. So when you try and sign up to Chatgpt, it's going to ask you to verify your phone number. What do you do if you don't have phone number to verify your account with? I will be showing you the two simple way to do it. The first one is to get one of these prepaid SIM card that you can get in your local shops. You can activate it and use the number to verify ChatGPT. The second way is to get an online number. So when you open your Chrome, you have to search for paid online temporary phone number. In here, you need to scroll down and find for the one that you can receive an SMS online for only 5 cents. So we have SMS that man. Tap it. It says here that you can receive SMS online. So this is how you do it. Tap here on the upper right, select SMS online and select a country. You will see here that you have a lot of options, different countries that you can receive your SMS. After choosing a country, you'll be needing to select a service right here, and you have to pay for only 50 cents and below. And that's it. That's how you verify your ChatGPT phone number. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.